In Crafting Treasures, today we are going to give this wall a makeover. So join me along. Initially, when we moved into this house, I had a nail put on this wall to hang a frame, but that didn't go as planned. And then I decided to make this into a photo wall. I used a double sticking tape and that left a whole lot of marks. So fast forward now to 2 years later, I'm going to give this wall a whole new look. So now I've removed that stray nail and filled it with some stucco, and then I've sanded down the double sticky tape marks to get an even surface. Next, using a masking tape, I taped down the sides of the wall on both sides at the top and the bottom to mark the area where I'll be painting. In addition to this, I've also marked 5 inches from both the sides. And taped down those portions as well to get 2 vertical strips on both sides. Here I've used a water-based grey paint for painting. This is the first time I've actually painted on a wall, and I found the experience to be really calming and I enjoyed it a lot. Usually I think of wall stickers and wallpapers when it comes to decorating, but my husband suggested that I try painting this time. And my brother gave me all the resources I will need. So really grateful to both of them. And the next day I gave it a second coat of paint, and when it had dried, I pulled out the tapes and I really loved the way this looks. For the next part, I put some tape in a diagonal, as you can see, and filled it in with gold acrylic paint. This is a stencil I bought from Amazon, and I'm using a grey marker to fill in the design. So when this dried up, it looked like the grey paint had a beautiful self-print design. And I've also added some touches of the gold acrylic paint. And there you have a really beautiful and simple makeover of a wall. See you soon in another video. Do check out the ones you see on the side. Bye.